Pronunciation challenge. Can you pronounce the English words correctly? Let's start. How to pronounce this word? Vineyard, 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 vineyard. What is the pronunciation of this word? The correct pronunciation of this word is KAY-oss, 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 KAY-oss. How to pronounce this word? Thread, 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 thread. What is the pronunciation of this word? Salmon, 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 salmon. How to pronounce this word? Steyk, steyk, steyk. How to pronounce this word? Gruesome, 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 gruesome. I hope that the pronunciation of these words are clear to all of you. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos related to pronunciation.